Et bonjour YouTube, on est au chapitre 3 de Wolf Among Us. Si vous avez tout oublié du chapitre 2, on va avoir un petit résumé, ne vous inquiétez pas. Et puis on va pouvoir attaquer tout de suite, c'est parti.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused.
Look, I didn't kill anyone. And I'm supposed to just believe you. Snow. I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once, and...
I'm not yours to lose. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
She looks like Holly.
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily.
She was looking to pay down debt. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club. The
mince. Hop là. Pardon.
My name is Nerissa.
Well,
J'ai oublié qu'il y avait des scènes où il fallait que je cache.
Questions. The open arms.
Oh my god. What is it?
It's Crane.
Allez. Bon, au dernier chapitre, on s'était rendu compte que Crane... putain de taré, je vais le mettre.
Fucking creep. Spineless little fucking rat.
Crane? Ugh. God, you think you know a person. Bigby, you have to tell her.
I know.
What's going on? What did you find up there? You know, other than the...
De trouver Blanche. Donc que Crane avait tué donc la fausse Blanche-Neige. Donc voilà.
Whoa, Bigby, calm down. Everything's going to be fine, okay? It's going to be fine.
Will someone please explain this to me?
Crane has been stalking Snow White.
That perverted little fucker might be after Snow. I need to find her right now.
Okay, it's going to be okay. Where did you see her last? Did she say where she was going?
She took Holly to the business office to prepare for the funeral.
Lily's funeral?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I was just at the Trip Trap, and I heard Gren telling some folks about a funeral at the Buckingham
Exactement,
Trip
Lily.
Trap?
C'est fait vraiment,
Right now,
vraiment de cette
they were on their
façon.
way out.
Bigby!
C'était vraiment fait comme qui veut gagner des millions.
Wait,
Un petit tas.
What?
Snow's been through a lot. There are things she doesn't talk about. Just
Petit A, qu'est-ce que vous voulez dire? Un petit B.
When
Je sais.
and you should
Je
tell
dois
her.
y aller, petit C. Ou je n'en ai aucune idée. Il faut. Putain, le temps. Par contre, c'est plus rapide à répondre que qui veut gagner des millions. Hein.
You know how you felt when you saw that picture?
Et il n'y a pas de pub
Well, it's
entre
going to be
deux
much
questions.
worse for her. Just remember that.
Des bisous, Yumeko. Des bisous. Ciao, ciao. Et bon courage pour ta semaine. Comment ça, Yumeko? C'était pas intéressant le bug du micro tout à l'heure? Ah, YouTube, vous avez manqué ça, hein, par contre. Vous avez manqué le bug de micro. Franchement, j'aurais dû en faire une VOD. Hein. Ah, faut se balader.
Lily had many friends, but few fables she was truly close to. If you're here, then you were part of a very special circle. People she trusted and cared for. I won't offend you by claiming one day that the pain of losing Lily will ever subside.
Ce sera plus simple de lui faire un signe, je pense. Ah si, si, si. Ah si, si,
I
si.
know as well as you that
J'insiste.
it will never subside.
J'insiste.
I also know that the memory of Lily will sustain as well.
I'm sorry, Snow, but we have to leave.
Not right now.
No, you don't understand.
Je suis désolé, mais...
I'm sorry, everyone. I don't...
Get the fuck out of here.
Holly, wait.
He has no right to be here. Not after what he did.
Look, Holly, I'm not here to start trouble.
You throw my sister down the witching well, and you have the nerve to show your face here? After you lie? After you promise me?
Comment ça, la trad, on se la met dans le cul? Eh, je peux pas vous faire je vous faisais pas la trad la dernière fois. Si? Il y avait rien d'écrit à un moment. Ah, ok. Pardon. C'est vrai que moi, parfois, j'écoute en anglais aussi directement. Je comprends directement en anglais. C'est vrai que je fais pas attention.
Holly, wait. That was Crane. Just Crane. He disposed of Lily's body before Bigby could do anything about it. I'm telling you the truth.
Don't cover for him.
But this genuinely wasn't his fault.
You can't tell me Bigby gives a shit about this.
Holly, it's gonna be okay.
Désolé, je ne
I'm
savais pas.
sorry,
Voilà.
Holly. I didn't know he put her down the witching well.
Bigby cares, Holly. He's trying to help. And I'm sure he has a very good reason for being here. But this one isn't on him.
Why are you here anyway? And don't say it's because you care about this.
Pardon pour ton
Everything
bras.
okay?
I think I know who murdered your sister.
Who?
Maybe we should talk about this somewhere else.
What? No, I deserve to know.
I know, but this isn't the way to go about this.
I don't give a fuck about the way. I don't care about procedure.
Je dois parler à
I'm
Blanche.
here to talk
Tant
to
pis si je
Snow
la vexe.
about
Tant
this.
pis si je la vexe,
No,
mais je
screw
suis
that.
obligé.
My sister's dead, and I don't give a shit who she looked like when it happened. It's not about her. It's about Lily.
Just tell us who it was.
Okay, everyone, just stop. Bigby and I are going to have a little chat while everyone else gets back to the funeral.
What? I'm not just gonna sit here and...
Please, I promise I will tell you what the hell is going on.
Enfin,
Just
si
as
on
soon
avait
as I
attendu,
know
on n'aurait
there's
pas eu tout ça.
something to tell,
Au
but
final.
just let us do our jobs first. Look, Holly, I know how this must...
No, you don't know how this must feel. You have no idea. Don't fuck anything up. Don't bother anybody. And when the first sign of trouble comes, and it will come because you're a goddamn walking trap for it, I want you the fuck out of here. You hear me?
Je veux juste
Just
l'assassin
want
de
to
Lily.
get Lily's killer,
Voilà.
Holly. Nothing more.
Au moins on la rassure, on
Let's
veut,
just
voilà.
continue, okay?
This is such total fucking bullshit.
Let's go, Holly.
Putain,
It's
j'aurais
our
dû
time
rien
to
dire.
talk.
J'aurais pas dû l'interrompre.
Okay, you think you know who the killer is. What have you got?
Putain, et il y a l'autre qui nous écoute,
Bigby?
je crois.
What's going on? You dragged me away from a funeral and now you want to pull the lost little kid in a mall routine? Look,
Ouais,
I
je vais
can't
rien
read your
dire.
mind and I don't really feel like standing here trying, so I'm going back. We'll talk about this later.
En fait, j'ai fait chier
Non.
et j'ai rien dit. Oups.
What is it? I'm sorry, but Holly's asking for you.
Are they starting the burn?
Yes. Everyone who spoke should really be present for this part. She's kind of distraught. You're not leaving yet, are you?
Pardon.
2 minutes. I don't mean to be,
No, I understand.
it's just that something's come up.
Je dis rien cette fois-ci, j'interromps pas.
How'd it go? At the motel? Did you find anything?
Ouais.
No?
Yeah. Lily was killed there. It was an awful mess.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Nerissa! Yeah,
Coming.
Constable?
Oula.
Wait, easy now, girl. You know how this goes. The first thing in a visit,
You say, how do you do? How do you do?
N'est pas le moment.
Really not the time for whatever you Jergovs are planning to do. Well, isn't that the thing of it? Plans. Except it isn't our plans you should be concerning yourself with. We'll snip to the chase for all sakes. A little bird told us that you're fitting to go after Crane. And you see, we have an interest in
Mais comment ils savent que on va courir après Crane déjà?
And we'll leave you alone. Just take a little vacation is all. Don't even have to go anywhere. Just sit in your office and whistle to heaven for a few short days. Are you working for Crane? Did he send you? No, see now, you're already asking too many questions. Just pay attention. So what's it gonna be? We have a deal? You leave Crane alone, and we leave you to yours? Brother, speak your mind. Fastly now. Just don't hurt anyone, D. That don't sound like a yes to me. Always wanting to do things the fun way.
Ladies, gentlemen, invertebrates, please, rest easy. This is not...
The hell is going on?
What's happening?
Very sorry to impose, but we only had a deal to work out with Bigby. And we're unhappy to report that things did not go as smoothly as planned.
Bigby, what is he talking about?
Never you mind that, it ain't any of your...
What deal?
Settle down now. Yeah, everyone just stay where you are, nice and natural, like we're just out having a spring picnic.
I'm not making any deal with you, so just get the fuck out of here and leave these people alone.
Nah.
What did I tell you? What did I say?
Ollie?
Think you motherfuckers could come here uninvited? You think you can just fucking interrupt Lily's funeral?
Calm down, darling. It was just a simple business transaction.
You fucking freaks are not getting away with this.
Holly, don't move.
Ollie, let me handle this.
Yeah, let's spare all the fuss. It's just a dead hole.
I'm gonna kill you!
Oh putain, il aurait pas dû dire ça. Oh le bâtard!
I got it done.
Oh putain! Oh putain! À l'aide. Et qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Oh bordel! Oh j'avais oublié que ça allait être... J'ai juste fait un retour. Attendez. Il faut juste que je fasse un truc. Hop. Voilà. Ah c'est mieux. Pardon. Ah ouais, mais j'avais oublié que c'était aussi violent là. Mais c'est une dinguerie hein ce jeu. C'est une dinguerie hein. Et je comprends que les fans attendent un 2 dans ce cas-là. Alors on n'a pas fini le jeu hein, mais je comprends que les fans en ont ras le cul depuis des années là qu'on leur dit qu'il y a un 2 qui arrive. Un chemin tortueux.
I did as well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder. They'll eventually worm their way out on their own, but until they do, you're gonna be sore.
Bigby, Dr. Swinehart was appointed Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all this. Take it easy. Don't go looking for any more fights. Keep strain off your heart.
I can't take it easy. I have to find Crane.
Bigby? What's wrong?
Lack of sleep for one thing. Getting shot for another. He'll be fine. I had everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused to let me see where she lived, so I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. Just remember what I said. The stitches won't hold up if you continue to act like you normally do. Everything in moderation. And eat more chicken.
Ouais, j'essaierai. Et coucou Lune, comment tu vas Lune?
Business office. I know, I'll have to call you back. The town is starting to find out.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then. Miss White, Bigby.
So, to recap.
Moi je me dis, si l'autre on lui avait pas arraché le bras, est-ce qu'il aurait pu se défendre et pas mourir?
He smashed it, so we couldn't use it ourselves to go after him. And we know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
And once he puts all the pieces back together, it'll be easy to catch Crane. So, I guess that's the plan, currently. But I don't know.
We don't have time to wait for the mirror. Crane could be getting on a train right now.
Well, I don't want to just go running off into the night without some direction.
Ouais, mais bon.
What the hell is going on? I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if... I mean, this is gonna sound crazy, but do you really think Crane did it? Everything
Et
points
s'ils
to
étaient
him.
pas le vrai
I get
Crane?
it, but do you really think he killed those women? Because it's just...
He killed them, and he sent Dee and Dumb to slow me down.
Et si c'était pas vrai Crane?
He was a conniver, a coward, a liar. And I'll always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me in his thoughts.
Peut-être. Hein.
Murdering prostitutes. Ow! Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. I just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to worry about.
Thanks for tonight, by the way. That could have gone really terribly. I mean, even worse than it did. I'm glad you were there.
I just feel bad for Holly, really.
Yeah. Time heals everything.
On va plus pouvoir aller au bar. Hein.
At least I hope so, for her sake. Can I, ask you a question? It's kind of personal. And I don't want to offend you, but after tonight, it's on my mind.
Sure.
Le resto professionnel, j'ai eu peur quand même.
When stuff hits the fan, like
Oui, voilà.
it did tonight,
vaut mieux pas répondre ça.
Before we came to the city, it feels kind of like home. And I've heard it said that maybe in some tiny little bottled up way deep inside, you kind of enjoy it when things go wrong.
Aïe aïe aïe, courage Lune. C'est trop chiant quand on est trempé comme ça toute la journée, c'est atroce.
Stop pretending.
So what if I do? You think we're
Le pire c'est quand t'as des choses dans les... Enfin t'as l'impression de flotter dans les chaussures.
Maybe we're just not cut out for this world. We can't
Ah ouais,
eat each
d'accord.
other's hearts anymore, Bigby. This can't be like the old days. We have to make it better.
Bah ouais, mais bon.
Guys, we have a problem.
What is it?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
Oh!
What do you mean, missing a piece?
Yes, it's not here.
Crane must have taken a shard with him.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I saw Crane pick something up after he smashed it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize what it was until now.
The mirror can't work unless it's whole.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Or what, Buffkin? What? We sit around and wait until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take.
Pas besoin d'engueuler, il vient de te dire peut-être qu'il pouvait marcher.
Just saying, waiting is an option.
No. We can't depend on the mirror.
What exactly is the hard way?
We'll look through his things, his desk, everything. He had to have left something that tells us where he's going. He's a neat freak, but he was never that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror. We can still solve this ourselves. I know
Never mind that. Come help me look.
Ah, le jean trempé en vrai c'est chiant hein, quand même. Attendez, je vais quand même demander, lui redemander pour le miroir. Je vais quand même lui redemander pour le miroir.
I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left.
C'est jeté sur
He
le téléphone,
called up
ok.
somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is.
Sa sorcière.
Witch?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
You
There we
didn't
go,
see
just-
anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Look, the whole mirror thing, it's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Yeah.
I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
You do that.
C'est... je sais pas, mais... Je sens qu'il y a encore une douille hein, à propos de tout ça encore. Oh, attendez. Ah. Ah, il y a un tiroir, je fouille direct. Alors attendez, on va quand même regarder tout. Je vois qu'il y a une clé là.
What is it?
It's the key to his room at the Open Arms.
You still haven't told me what was in there. I want to know. I need to know.
Un fantasme de Crane sur vous. Je vais lui dire la vérité hein. C'est ma seule, on va dire, la seule qui m'accompagne, donc il faut bien. Hein.
Together. Forgive me if I spare you the details.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the
La
elevator.
207.
or bump
Putain, bah
into
oui,
me
c'est la
outside.
207, mais oui. Oui, t'as raison,
There's
Lee.
only so much you can repress, you know?
Snow,
C'est la chambre où on était.
No, I could have.
Oui, c'est
Come
pour
on,
ça.
let's keep looking.
Attendez, je vais essayer de vous... Ah merde, je peux pas la relire. Pardon. Cher Monsieur Crane, I am writing to ask again that you please someone to fix the air. Donc je vous écris à nouveau pour envoyer quelqu'un pour réparer l'air conditionné dans notre unité. He's burning up in the apartment. Il fait très chaud, enfin il brûle quasiment dans notre appartement et Pinocchio dit que sa peau est splintering, je ne sais pas ce que ça veut dire. I don't know what that means, but je ne sais pas ce que ça veut dire, mais but I assume... Ouais bon, en gros ils veulent absolument remettre l'air conditionné à cause de Pinocchio qui se plaint aussi. Enfin, surtout, voilà, pour tout leur étage, mais voilà. Hop là. Mr. Crane, you said you have to pay... You could pay to have the plaster redone. Je sais pas ce que c'est. Ouais, c'est un truc pour les murs, j'ai l'impression. En fait, il s'occupait de rien. Enfin, les gens lui demandaient plein de choses, mais il s'en battait les couilles. Ah oui, c'est Mr. Toad. Ah oui, c'est Mr. Toad, ok, c'est les trucs chez lui, ok. C'est... Ouais, voilà, c'est ça, Crane ne bossait jamais, hein. On est d'accord. En fait, il foutait rien.
There's a page here that was torn out.
Oh, yeah? Buffkin, do you know what was here?
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Wait, what witch?
Buffkin overheard Crane set up a meeting with a witch.
Well, yes, it sounded like the one he got his, glamours from. It must be about this ring.
Why not mention this before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm hungover, I'm sorry. We set the meeting at 2 a.m. tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it? You called me
I called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. So, can we find the dull pervert or not?
I tried.
No.
On va lui parler du
missing a
miroir.
piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of my business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped. It seems he spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of my business?
We don't know if he's the murderer.
Oh, please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time.
Peut-être le mettre dans la
We took
confidence,
a
hein,
piece
lui.
of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
AM or PM?
AM.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
Define help.
On va lui demander à lui. Hein.
That he
Il faut
has the
plus d'infos.
stones to kill prostitutes like any common sex-frightened serial killer and not face a real challenge.
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a witch, and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're
thing.
a secretary. He's the sheriff. And none of you were chosen to run this office. Who elected you to make these decisions?
Nobody, but that
Who
doesn't...
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not officially.
I'm heading up the investigation, okay, Bluebeard? That makes this a moot point.
And somebody needs to run the business office while he does so.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter hours the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
Je vais rien dire. Ouais, en vrai, je savais pas quoi dire là-dessus.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was. And I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the two Tweedles know about this?
C'est vrai que
It
eux,
doesn't matter what they know.
y a quelque chose. Hein.
After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
The
else.
Trip Trap is the better option to track the witch down. That has to be our focus.
Look, chances are I'll have
peut aller
to
aux deux,
swing
hein.
by both anyways.
No, chances are you won't have time.
I don't really
Oh.
care what you two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted
Oui,
lock.
voilà, c'est ce qu'il a à dire.
I've wasted enough time waiting for the mirror to find it.
Pas besoin de clé,
I
hein.
won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
I've no interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Non mais moi je veux qu'il soit avec nous.
Care. Just go ahead.
We can't just let Bluebeard run amok in Crane's place.
Ha!
He's after something. I just don't know what it is. We have to find the witch, Bluebeard, since
Ah,
that's
merde.
where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out. Never went anywhere. And is upstairs right now in his pitiful penthouse.
En vrai, je m'en
crafting
bats les
a
couilles qu'il
fallout
soit après quelque
couch
chose,
cushions.
Barbe Bleue.
Look, this is how a smart person would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. He's up to something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really worry about it now. Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
En vrai, vous en pensez quoi, vous? Est-ce que vous laisseriez Barbe Bleue un peu s'immiscer là-dedans, ou même s'il cherche quelque chose ou pas?
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need charity.
Putain, je sais pas. Où est-ce que vous voulez qu'on aille? J'aurais hésité si ça fout la merde avec Blanche. Bah ouais. Où est-ce que vous voulez qu'on aille? Est-ce que vous voulez qu'on aille au... chez Dee? À l'appart de Crane? Ou le bar d'Oli? Au bar? Je sais pas pourquoi moi aussi je voulais aller voir. Mais je sais pas, il y a un... Je sais pas pourquoi il y a un truc qui m'attire. Allez, on va aller au bar.
The witch's identity must be with Lily's stuff. I should go see Holly first.
Perfect.
Oui, les affaires de Lily seront là-bas, mais il y a un truc qui m'attire autre. Enfin, je sais pas, j'ai l'impression qu'il y a un autre truc qui pourrait être important là-bas. Mais j'avais envie aussi d'aller au bar.
She's asleep, you fucking idiot. You didn't even give me a chance to explain. What's left to explain? Just, you know, what
C'est quoi ça? C'est ouvrir? Ouais, voilà.
Read the sign.
On va frapper.
We're closed.
I need to talk to Holly.
Bon, elle est encore en vie. Au moins, ça, c'est déjà une bonne chose. Ils sont tous encore en vie.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff. Well, come on in, buddy.
Brent.
What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some hospitality, right?
Yeah. I'll only be here 2 minutes. I just need to check through Lily's things.
Whatever.
Oh, je sais pas pourquoi, il a l'air trop gentil cette fois-ci. Il a l'air trop gentil. Ça me plaît pas.
I want a drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Non mais Lily. La bûche c'est pas le pénis.
Think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says or what you say?
Gren, really, you shouldn't drink right now.
I can't hear you when you mumble.
Je vais lui demander où est Oli.
Told me that Holly was here. I need to talk to her.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
C'est pas mon intention de la réveiller. Hein.
The doc gave them both Barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very, very nice high.
And he said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Yes, he did. He certainly did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time.
Je vais lui demander pour les affaires de Lily.
Have you seen her sister's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral?
On va aller fouiller les affaires de Lily.
Something, but I didn't see where she put it.
Nope, haven't seen it. That funeral back there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much.
Gren, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything? I'm not.
You think I shot up the place? It wasn't my fault.
En vrai, si, j'aurais
away,
dit.
though, didn't they?
C'est un peu ma faute. Hein.
Whatever. It's alright. I'm too out of it to get into it.
C'est pour ça que t'es beaucoup trop sympa comme ça.
We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit town together. And we're all gonna have a toast. All of us.
Fellas, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's
Laissez-moi
belongings
juste
and get
accéder à
out of
ses
here.
affaires, s'il vous plaît.
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds. As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's shit or whatever.
Grand Bigby didn't come here to get loaded with you.
I don't want to get loaded with him. It's just a quick slug. Not gonna hurt anybody. And then we'll,
Je n'ai pas le temps pour ça.
help you
Je
out
voulais
with
boire,
this.
mais en fait, je me dis, s'il met un truc dans mon verre, c'est pas ouf.
Gran, the doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about it, huh? You're not my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
I said I was sorry, all right? I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Hop là, comme dans ma secte. Comme dans la secte des frontons.
I don't want anything from you, Woody. I want there to be a big black hole where your fat, dumb fucking ass used to be.
Cut this shit out now. I don't care what it's about.
Oh, I forgot. You haven't heard the news. This walking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her. All of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit. What fun that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? Our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No, but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife. I don't know why I never realized it till now. What do you think about this fucking loser, Sheriff?
He can think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay, because I'll tell you what he thinks. He thinks you have to pay chicks to touch your fat hairy ass. That's what he thinks.
I think whatever happened was between them, and Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Grin.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Chacha? Quoi ce bruit alors? Attendez, j'entends du bruit. Vous avez pas vu quelqu'un passer?
Grin. I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But I wouldn't wake her if I were you. Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule. Maybe, ogres, too. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Ben ne s'en rappellera pas. Ah. On va essayer de la réveiller. Ouais, après, je suis d'accord un peu. Si c'était vu que c'était une pute en vrai. En vrai, bon, c'est pas si gênant, mais bon. Peut-être que pour elle, c'était important. Enfin, il y avait un. Bon, je sais pas. Peut-être qu'il y a une relation, peut-être aussi entre un peu différente aussi. Je sais pas. Les affaires d'Ellie? Non. Si? Si.
That you, Woody? Woody? Is that you?
No, Holly. It's me, Bigby.
Bigby. Bar's closed. And excuse me, but I'm not in the mood for entertaining. But what the fuck? I know you're not gonna leave. You do what you want. You always do what you want.
Putain, dans ce genre de jeu, je me dis, mais est-ce que les dialogues changent vraiment quand on est plus sympa avec les gens et tout?
Do you even give a shit about us? The strays? The ones that aren't in that fancy high-rise?
You may not believe this, but yeah, I care about everyone who came over.
I don't know about that, Sheriff. You're friends with your friends, and we ain't friends.
Ah, c'est peut-être ça en fait, Lily. C'est peut-être qu'il y a une relation aussi, peut-être entre ou je sais pas, entre la bûche et.
Why do you even come here? There's nothing here to investigate. I can't be any use to you.
I need to look through your sister's things.
To look for clues?
Ouais.
If you want to put it that way.
Du trompe-l'œil. Livre. On va regarder le livre un peu. Ce qu'il y a dedans.
Be honest, Sheriff. Why are you going after him? The guy that killed Lily. You could have quit a long time ago, but you're still going. Why? Did they give you this job for a reason? Or was this the only thing the business office would let you do?
Le fais pour Lily.
I'm doing this for Lily. She deserves whatever justice I can get her.
I'll take it.
Très bien. C'est un peu faux, mais c'est pas non plus totalement faux.
If you were getting your glamour on this day, then one of these has to be the witch. But which one?
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Snow?
Hey, I just wanted to see how it was going. Did you find anything?
Just an address book with her contact's initials. Not sure which one is the witch, though.
Strange. These people keep cropping up. Before, a few days ago...
Hey, did you know that the woodsman was sleeping with Lily?
Like, a customer?
Ouais.
Okay, is this really important right now?
I guess not.
You should try going up to Crane's place.
Ouais, voilà, finalement c'est pas important, effectivement.
Bluebeard, you know. Or you could try at the Tweedle's office. Just make it quick. We don't have a lot of time.
On va aller... En fait, j'ai peur qu'il y en ait un qu'on puisse pas faire du tout. Merci pour ton prout, Boz. Vraiment, je réfléchis en pétant là. Merci pour le prout et j'espère que tu vas bien. Et merci pour le lark, bien sûr. Merci beaucoup. En fait, Dee et Dum, je sais pas ce qu'ils trafiquent, mais j'ai peur de rien trouver en fait au final là-bas, en arrivant là-bas en fait. J'ai peur qu'ils aient quasiment rien montré. Et l'appartement de Crane, en fait, je me dis, il y a peut-être plus d'indices. Donc j'irai peut-être à l'appartement de Crane. Allez.
I'll head over to Crane's apartment, see what I can find there.
Sounds good. Just keep me posted. In the meantime, I'll see what I can do on this end.
Okay.
Ah bah voilà, toi aussi, Lee.
You'll find him, Snow.
I hope you're right.
Ouais, je sais pas, j'ai soit peur qu'ils nous tendent en embuscade, soit peur que... Après, peut-être qu'on va devoir faire tous les apparts, hein, peut-être, hein, tous les endroits. Hein. Il reste 58 minutes.
Bluebeard burned everything. I tried to stop him, but I got here too late. He wouldn't listen to me. Threatened to strangle me if I got too close. There was nothing I could do. Honest.
Why would Bluebeard come
Est-ce que si
here
on y
just to
était allé
learn all
tout
of
de
Crane's
suite,
stuff?
on aurait évité ça? Moi ça va, je lui fais confiance, Lily à Buff King. Je sais pas, pour moi... Ouais, il a pas trop brûlé non plus le livre.
If there was something here I could use to find him, there isn't now. What a waste of fucking time.
What now? Did you find any information about the witch at the Trip Trap?
Just this. I don't know which one she is, but it's a start. Maybe I can find more at the Tweedle's office.
It's worth a try. I'd better go fill Miss White in on the circumstances. She's going to be very disappointed.
Ah, si on était allé à l'appartement de Crane, en fait, on aurait peut-être pu avoir plus d'infos. Si on était allé directement. Ah, c'est bête. En fait, j'ai l'impression que chaque endroit est important en fonction de l'heure à laquelle on y va.
Great to see you. I don't know if you remember.
C'est pour ça qu'il y a un truc avec les heures.
Around, but you may have forgotten.
I know who you are, Flycatcher. You've worked at the Woodlands for how many years now?
I think I've lost count. But you know, Crane let me go recently.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it's no big deal.
Ah, peut-être que tu vas pouvoir me...
What brings you here? I mean, can I help you with anything? Are you here to see one of the brothers? Dee or Dumb? They're in here right now. I'm not sure when they'll be back.
I was hoping to have a talk with Dee or Dumb. Do you know where they are?
No, they don't really keep regular hours as far as I can tell. Sorry. It's been a quiet night so far. I think the twins are out, probably working on a case. Sometimes I don't see them for days. They gave me the job after Crane told me to get lost. He said I was just in the way. But I like it here. Gotta stay busy, you know?
Je vais lui demander où est leur
Right this
bureau.
way. I was going there next anyway. I can let you in if you want. You can wait for them there.
Sure, thanks.
No problem.
Pas mieux. Hop là. Pardon,
I'm gonna have to take a look around.
Well, I guess that would be okay.
I wasn't really asking for permission.
Right, you're the sheriff. I just don't want to get in trouble or anything.
T'inquiète, t'auras rien,
I'm sure
Gobouche.
it's fine. I mean, they never told me not to let you in.
Don't worry. I won't get you in trouble, all right?
Right.
Il y a une armoire ici.
Let's see if they got a file on Crane.
Oh, je veux tout. Je sais pas qui c'est ça, Donkey Skin. Ah!
Crane hired them to look
Ah oui,
for
bah
a
oui, je suis
photo.
bête. Donkey
So
Skin,
that's why
c'est
they were at her
Podam.
apartment and the woodsman's place.
Oui, en ce moment, moi aussi, Lily, j'ai des pubs Durex sur Twitch. C'est trop bizarre quand je vais chez certaines personnes. Il y a quoi? Il y a Durex et il y avait un autre truc qui était en mode ok. Je sais plus l'autre. Mais oui, ouais, ça m'est arrivé d'avoir une pub Durex direct. C'est bizarre, hein? Non, mais Twitch, c'est plus ce que c'était. Alors attendez, je vais prendre tous les dossiers avant de prendre celui de Crane. Ok.
Detective Brannigan. Keep an eye on her.
Après, Lily, en vrai, on fait de la prévention à partir de 13 ans hein, aujourd'hui. Hein. Dès la 6ème, on fait déjà de la prévention. Hein. Donc bon.
This is worse than I thought. Shit.
C'est juste qu'effectivement, on leur dit hey, si tu veux baiser, n'oublie pas ton préservatif. N'oublie pas. Hein. Et ton lubrifiant. Hein.
It Ichabod Crane.
Nous, on nous donnait des préservatifs, je me rappelle quand j'étais plus jeune.
Money.
Nous en donnait.
How was he planning to pay this all back? Request for property acquisition, further details filed under donkey skin. Why did he want it back so badly?
Find anything?
Not what I need.
I know these guys can come off abrasive at times, but they aren't so bad once you get to know them. And they really care about helping people. They're kind of loud at times, but you get used to it. I guess they have to be in their line
Qu'est-ce que
of
tu veux
work.
dire?
How do you mean they help people?
They're detectives. Anyone can come in here with a problem and they'll do their best to fix it. The way Dee explains it, it's like if someone lost their cat, well, they could hire them to, you know, track it down. Or like sometimes they get packages for people. They can be like couriers, you know?
For who?
All kinds. Come to think of it, I don't really know where they keep them. Anyways, I'm just saying, you just don't know them like I do.
Sure, Flycatcher.
Ouais, ok. Ils sont peut-être pas si méchants que ça, enfin, pour les gens, pour les autres. Mais vis-à-vis de nous, vis-à-vis de l'enquête, ils sont horribles. Une boîte à cigares, ça, je reconnais.
You know about this?
No.
Ah, ça m'intéresse. Je te prends la clé.
Dear Brother D, I think we should get ourselves a dog. Sincerely, Brother Dunn. He actually mailed this?
They do have their quirks.
This is pointless.
See, I knew you wouldn't find anything. Anything of interest, anyways. They're detectives, like I said. Just trying to make an honest living.
Just stay out of this. I have work to do.
I'm just saying.
Look, just trust me on this. Tweedledee and Dum are not nice. They're not helping anyone.
Well, they helped me.
Okay, great. They helped you. That's one person. Now, please, just let me concentrate.
Je pensais pas qu'il
here.
serait si violent en fait avec cette réplique. Ne pas toucher aux sucettes. Annie aime
Dear
les
Brother Dunn,
sucettes.
I hate dogs and you know it. Sincerely, Brother D. Couple of freaks.
Ah, les deux, ils s'envoient des lettres. Putain. Il se passe des lettres comme ça.
What if you're wrong about them?
I'm not.
They're misunderstood, sure, but that doesn't mean everything people say about them is true. I mean, you know, like when I think about it, you guys aren't that different. You help people, and they help people. Not that it's any of my business,
Il a
but
pas tort. Hein.
I just wanted to say, you know, give them a chance. People can surprise you.
Is that what you think?
Bigby?
Shit. There's something here. I know there is. There has to be.
Why would there be anything
Because they're lying to you, okay, Flycatcher? That's why. They aren't detectives. They're somehow involved in the murders, Flycatcher. 2 Fables are dead.
Bigby, what happened to your...
You want to know what this is? This is them showing up to Lily's funeral with fucking shotguns.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Look, Flycatcher, I
On
know
va
you
calmer un
love
peu.
them, but they're a part of whatever's happening here.
On va se calmer
They're
soi-même,
bad
calmer un peu,
guys.
voilà.
I didn't mean to...
There's a door behind this file cabinet. I don't know what they keep back here, but it might be what you're looking for.
Oh!
Well, that key you found should work.
Oh, ça m'intéresse. Merci, Gommouche. Annie adore la raclette. Raclette coule dans la gorge. Quelle horreur. Il y avait un distributeur dans les planètes pour que les gens s'amusaient à les... Mais les gens s'amusaient à le saccager, donc ça a été enlevé. Les gens sont cons, alors que c'était pour éviter de gêner les jeunes quand ils allaient en pharmacie. Bah ouais, c'est un peu bête. C'est vraiment, les gens sont cons. Et moi, j'ai pas eu ça de distributeur de préservatifs quand j'étais plus jeune. J'avais pas ça quand même. C'était plus au moment des préventions, ils en donnaient, allez quoi, ils en donnaient 5-6, je crois, un truc comme ça. Paquet. On va tout analyser. Hein.
I'm sorry, I know I'm late. I'll get it to you soon. Ichabod Crane.
Who was he sending money to?
Crooked Man. Care of the Lucky Pawn. Do you know what that is?
On va faire en sorte qu'il n'y ait pas de preuve de notre passage.
Is that what you needed?
I don't think so, but it's interesting. There's more going on here. I still need to find that witch, though.
What are you looking for exactly? Maybe I can help.
Anything about Crane, or the witch he was using. Something.
On va essayer de faire en sorte qu'il n'y ait pas de...
What is this stuff?
Ça pourrait nous mettre dans la merde.
Hey, Bigby. Do you think, after all this, do you think I could come back to the Woodlands? Since Crane let me go, I mean, I can still work here, but I don't think I want to now. I don't want to work with bad people, you know?
Well, Crane is gone now. I can't see why he couldn't come back to the Woodlands.
Really? That would be... thank you.
Come by the business office. I can't make any promises.
Right, of course.
It's Snow's hair.
Snow White? Why...
We found her hair like this inside Lily's glamour.
Est-ce que c'est ce qui permettrait de faire les trompe-l'œil
This must be the witch Crane was using.
I guess Dee and Dumb were getting the hair for Crane and sending it to her? That's not a pleasant thought.
Ouais, t'as raison, Lee. En vrai, s'ils nous balancent pas au Waddle Dee et Dumb...
This is it. Call the business office. Tell Snow I'm heading to this address. Have her meet me there.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah, me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I know.
Tantine Greenleaf.
This is it.
All right. How do you
J'ai
wanna do
14
this?
minutes de retard. Ah, est-ce que j'aurais pu ne pas avoir ces 14 minutes de retard? Je pense que tout ça, ça dépend de... Ça dépendait de comment on avait géré le truc. Hein. On va écouter avant de frapper. De rentrer.
Hear anything?
If anyone's in there, they're being awfully quiet.
Et ça, c'est peut-être parce qu'on est en retard.
Hello?
Hi.
You woke me up.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong?
Who are you?
Rachel? Who are you? Just so we're not strangers.
Well, I'm the sheriff, and this is my partner.
Boss.
Pleased to meet you. How do you do? Is there anything you need?
Is Auntie Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She ever, you know,
donc c'est
make
bien ça, ma mère.
nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
No, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right. Is there something you want? I don't think I can really help you.
Rachel, do you mind if I take just a quick peek around?
We'll be very quick, and he won't touch anything.
Oula. On s'est peut-être un peu trop imposé.
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here.
Oh, elle s'est réveillée d'un coup là. Elle a pris un petit shot de café là d'un coup.
Don't get me in trouble.
What are we looking for specifically?
Elle a... Ouais.
Could still be here.
Putain, je suis curieux par contre de savoir ce qui se passe si on arrive à l'heure.
No one's been over all night.
Fucking witches.
Where do you buy your clothes?
At a store?
Oh, my mommy makes all of them.
It's pretty rare to see a burner like this.
Dowdy. That's how we like it. I saw a spider over there yesterday.
Oh?
Let me guess. Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste. That your mom?
Ok, donc ça doit être elle.
Your mom a hunter?
Oh no, she never... That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain, I think.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Not here.
There's no one here but me.
Ouais, l'ambiance est spéciale, je vais être honnête.
Do you have any pets?
Not technically.
Je sais pas, la petite, je lui fais pas confiance. Hein. C'est pas une vraie enfant, non, je suis pas parado. Mais en vrai, t'as peut-être raison. T'as peut-être raison. Ouais, la petite, elle semble suspecte.
How much longer do you think it'll be? I can have my mom call you later or something. Finished yet?
Le boucher.
A package having to do with someone called the Butcher. I saw one just like it at the Tweedle's office.
Il y a un truc. Il y a un réseau là qui est en train de se faire.
Getting whiffs of that aftershave of his.
I do too.
Can I go to bed now, please?
Is that a glamour tube?
Mommy really doesn't let anyone play with that. Trust me, I've tried. Oh, no. Please, just put that back exactly where you found it. No one is allowed to play with that.
It's all right, honey. Bigby's not going to break it.
You don't understand. She will freak out if she discovers I've let people in here and let them touch her stuff, okay? She checks all the time to see if things move. I don't want to get in trouble. Look, I'm already grounded.
Snow, come on. Are you kidding? It's a glamour tube. Something's going on here.
No! Put it down! Please, don't! This isn't what you think! You gotta believe me. The guy isn't here, I promise!
It's gonna be okay, Rachel.
Please, I'm begging you. I don't wanna get in trouble.
Ah! Comme elle a pré-shot, comme t'as pré-shot, Lily. Elle est trop forte.
Not sprightly enough.
You think
Pas
we
que
have
c'est un
time
jeu.
to waste on this shit? Think this is some kind of game?
No, I don't. But congratulations on winning it, if that matters to you.
All right, start explaining. And from the beginning.
None of this pathetic witchcraft crap is gonna prevent me from prying what I need from your gullet. Now tell me where Crane is.
I ain't a fortune teller, Wolf. I have no heavenly idea where he went to.
You have to know something.
Unless you want a recipe for owl stew, there's nothing I know that would help.
Just why in the name of everything holy are you protecting this weaselly scumbag? I mean, what on earth could he have done to deserve this kind of loyalty?
Crane could be hollow bones tomorrow, and you wouldn't see me cry a drop.
Huh.
But that doesn't mean I can tell you anything. You have friends, don't you? Well, I don't want Crane's friends for enemies.
If you're not protecting Crane, who are you protecting?
Get this through both of your skulls. I can't tell you.
Mais ouais, mais il va falloir me le dire, madame. À un moment, il va falloir parler.
Whatever it is, Greenleaf, whatever it is that's keeping you from saying something,
we can protect you, okay? Whatever it is you're afraid of, we can make sure that it won't come to pass.
You have no idea what's going on, do you?
Okay, you know what I think? I think we've been more than patient with you.
Oh,
This witch
elle
has
va la
been selling
défoncer.
illegal glamours that continue to undermine everything we've built. She's harboring a fugitive that took advantage of it, and now she's resisting every attempt to make things right. I frankly don't give a crap if she's afraid for her life. We can at least make sure she never hurts us again. We're destroying the tree.
No!
Oui, il se passe quelque chose. Hein.
Dare you come in here and threaten to take from me the one thing that... That tree is ancient. It's part of the family, and it's the only thing paying for this shithole apartment. And the Fables, who can't afford the glamours from you, come to me for help. Without them, where do you think they could go?
Don't give me that. You're making money off of other people's misery. 2 Fables are dead because of this crap. It's too dangerous leaving this stuff with her.
You think I like being the old woman in these stories? The men are heroes, the ladies are whores, and the old hags like me get to watch everyone they love die.
We have very different ways of handling our fate.
Very different means to handle it too.
And I don't use it as an excuse to wreck
Elle peut être utile.
lives.
Elle peut être utile, il faut juste qu'on se la mette dans la poche.
Can't she just work for us? That way she'd be official.
You want to reward her for criminal behavior? We can't trust this woman on the 13th floor.
It doesn't matter, because I'd never do it. I'm not a house cat, and I don't play well with others.
Oh, trust me, no one would confuse you for a cuddly animal. Bigby, this is an order. Burn the tree.
No!
No.
Look, I'll tell you. Crane was here. He was here, and he left. He went to the pudding and pie to try to use my ring on the girls over there to get information.
What does the ring do?
He thinks it's the ring of dispel. You know, that it will pierce the protection around the girls' speech. He says pulling the truth out of them will prove his innocence. It won't, though. Damn thing lost years ago.
I'm sorry, but we still can't let you keep the tree. It wouldn't be right after what's happened. Bigby.
Please, Sheriff. Don't.
Today's your lucky day, Greenleaf. I'm hiring you as the business office's newest witch in residence.
Bigby!
The witches over there will keep her out of trouble, and we have a glamour shortage as it is. It makes the most sense now. And you get to keep your fucking tree.
Just don't expect me to bow down to your little woman here.
Don't think for a second that this is over.
So what?
Je préfère qu'on se la mette dans la poche.
Show up here or something?
Something like that.
We'll call you.
Ah, c'est excitant. Franchement, c'est excitant. Ce jeu est trop bien. Vraiment, je pensais vraiment pas me régaler à ce point. C'est ouf, hein.
That's Crane's car.
Oh.
No, it's nothing you need to concern yourself with. I don't think so, at least. Shit. Hold on. Oh, do you miss the spot? Mr. Clean, come to smash up the rest of my place. Oh, I see. Come to audition, you bitch.
Where's Crane?
Ichabod Crane? What would that nerd have with a place like this?
Tell me what you know, now!
Oh, le menteur de pacotille.
Hey, you can't just go in there. We have a problem.
Tell me who did it. Just tell me who did it. I know you know.
Mr. Crane, please. She can't help.
I know you know what the plan is. I won't be held accountable for this.
I can't. I can't. I'm sorry.
Oh, je vais le choper. Hein.
Oh my god, Bigby.
Wait, don't.
I didn't do anything. I promise you, I didn't do anything. These girls, the girls, they'll back me up. I just have to get the stupid ring working, that's all. They can't talk because of that spell, but once this ring gets through, I'll know what's going on and this whole thing will be over. That's all, please. I'm innocent, completely innocent. It's just let me show you.
The ring won't work. Greenleaf sold you out.
What? No, this will work. I assure you, it must. I wouldn't did you. Please, tell me who killed her.
My lips are sealed.
Ouah. Mais...
How many years?
What?
How many years has this been going on?
Two, maybe. But I didn't kill those women, Bigby. Please, I had nothing to do with that. It just. Oh God.
We found the photos of you and Lily.
I know. That was. I just love you, Snow. I love you, and I'm sorry I'm not Prince Charming, okay? I'm sorry I didn't cheat on you and run away to Europe.
You don't love me, Crane. I know what this is. I've seen it before. It is not love. Bigby? I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women? He wouldn't be brave enough. Not to put his stamp on the world like that. He's a disgusting coward, not a murderer.
What do you mean? You don't think he did it at all? If you'd seen the room...
I don't need to see the room.
There's a lot he has to answer for.
There's a lot we all have to answer for.
This is different, Snow, and you know it.
You said you found evidence of him defrauding Fabletown, of using our money for his own ambitions. That's one thing. But don't you have doubts he's a murderer? We've both known him for so long.
I can't believe I'm hearing
En vrai,
this. Did you see how he was acting when you showed up?
Yes, I know how this...
There's nobody else that's
c'est le
even
premier
remotely...
suspect. Hein.
He's the prime suspect. There is nobody else.
But why? Really? Think about it. Because circumstantial evidence is one thing. And I won't kill a man for
Un
that.
malade pervers.
He glamored a prostitute to look like you. He played out his sick fucking fantasies over and over.
We can't
Ah, mais
condemn
c'est comme,
people to
imaginez...
death for just being gross.
Snow,
Imaginez aujourd'hui, ça existe, ça, les trompe-l'œil. Il y aurait des gens qui s'amuseraient, par exemple, à faire des trompe-l'œil de, je sais pas, de Taylor Swift. Ça serait horrible.
That's what I have to care about. And that's enough.
Ou même de, je sais pas, ils auraient un crush sur quelqu'un qui connaîtrait, ils feraient ça. C'est horrible.
Fine. Embezzlement. We'll get him on what we can.
Ou alors ils auraient un crush sur Emmanuel Macron, ce serait horrible.
Ichabod Crane, you are under arrest for the misappropriation of Fabletown funds. You have the right to counsel, the right to depose witnesses. But as of right now, you're coming with us.
And for suspicion of murder.
No.
Soupçonné, il est soupçonné, s'il te plaît.
This can't be
Il est juste, il est soupçonné.
Behaving however you like, acting without constraint. You have to respect this office, Bigby. And you have to respect me as its leader. Starting now.
Okay.
You think you have what it takes to run that office? You think I didn't make sacrifices? I made sacrifices. And you won't be in that chair 1 minute before you have to give up something you care about
just so the wheels don't fall off the goddamn wagon. I did the best I could with what I had, and the town took everything it could out of me.
Yeah, see, the thing of it is, we're better at this than you are.
Pas prendre d'initiative, voilà. À mon avis, elles ont encore des choses à dire.
Oh, okay. Stupid girls and their preposterous schemes.
What are you saying?
Mm-hmm. Oh non. Pas les Waddle Dee. Pas les Waddle. Oh putain. Les Waddle Dee ils ont changé. Ouais, je sais plus comment ils s'appellent. Si, c'est Waddle Dee en plus. Ouais, ils ont bien changé Waddle Dee. T'es qui toi? Allez, c'est bien eux encore. Dans Kirby ça. Mais ils s'appellent pas les Waddle Dee aussi? C'est Waddle Dee et Waddledum. Tweedledee, Tweedledee et Tweedledum. Je suis con, pas Waddle Dee.
He's about yay high, 120 odd pounds. Kissed his sheets until he was 14. Sound familiar?
I haven't told them anything.
Not now. Shh. The grown-ups are talking.
Who are you?
No. That's not how this works.
Ah si, ça
how
marche
this
comme ça.
works is you are going to walk Crane over here, like a good doggy.
It wasn't my fault.
Shut up. You're interfering with official Fabletown business. Step aside.
Tweedledee. What's the, you know, that thing the Mundies call me?
What?
My nickname. You know what I'm talking about. Bloody Mary, that's it. Thank you. And do you know why they call me that? Because some of them, they think it's funny to have their little sleepovers and go into their little bathrooms and say my name 5 times in the mirror. They find it less funny when I actually show up and feed their lungs to the family dog. And I do that for a hobby. Like golf, to relax. This is my job. I like my job.
He's in custody, so move your car.
I told you he'd never just give him up.
Ah, on va pas le lâcher, hein. Oui, c'est vrai que nous on l'a pas appelé dans un miroir, c'est vrai. Ah! Non mais... J'ai...
Bigby?
Allez! Oui, mais c'était pas la bonne touche A que j'ai appuyé. J'ai appuyé au dernier moment, mais c'était pas la bonne. Allez! Ça va chier. Certainement un choix très important, mais bon.
It was a good show, but, you know, it just didn't know when to end.
Mais cette hache, c'est la hache qu'il y avait dans l'appartement. Allez! Réveille-toi, vite fait! Non!
Right, Wolfie?
Je peux pas! C'est fait exprès!
I mean, hey, look, I know it sounds ridiculous, but really,
Allez!
guys, can you argue with these results? Because I know I can't.
J'ai mal au bras!
Wait! Stop! Just take him, okay? Take Crane. Just stop, please.
Yeah, I don't know.
Snow, don't do this.
Ah!
It's your lucky
Il avait une
day,
moustache.
kid. Crooked Man says it's okay with him.
Pas besoin de leur livrer Crane, au final.
Hello, Ichabod. Got a stomach ache?
Ah,
Oh, and just between us girls, Crane ain't no killer. I mean, look at his face. Couldn't stick a pig if his life depended. Nope, not like your boyfriend. Well, this
Oh!
is a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really, I mean it. I'm jazzed about it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the queen. I'm sure we'll be in touch. See you around.
Waouh! Ah, les scènes sont folles, hein. Waouh, chaque scène est folle, hein.
He's lucky to be alive, and he won't be next time if he keeps going like this.
This is getting worse by the minute. We don't have time to sit around and wait for their next move.
I'll get things under control. Woody, I'm not gonna tell you again.
Back off, dog. This doesn't concern you.
What you want to talk about?
I just wanted to, about last night. When people hear what you did to Dom, they're going to think you've gone back to your old ways.
Don't hold out on me, Jack. You've always got some angle.
Not this time. I know when a mark's not worth the trouble. Do you?
Don't make me come down there to deal with you. I don't want it. You don't want it. Then again, you don't have much choice at this point, do you?
Mais qui c'est elle exactement? Putain. Je me demande bien qui c'est. Hein. Ah, on est 96% des joueurs à lui avoir offert le job à Flycatcher. Ah, incroyable. Et on est 44 à avoir tué Tweedledum. Et pas Waddle Dee, bien sûr. Hein. Ni Waddledum. Ah, 19% qui sont allés voir le En premier, le bureau des Tweedle. Et 40% le bar. Donc ouais, on était majorité au bar. Ok. Hop. Et bah, YouTube, nous, on va s'arrêter là pour le chapitre 3. Et on se retrouve pour le chapitre 4